Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July 27th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Teva agreed to acquire Allergan's global generic pharmaceuticals business under a cash and stock deal valued at $40.5 billion. As part of the transaction, which is expected to close in the first quarter of 2016, Allergan will receive $33.75 billion in cash as well as shares of Teva valued at $6.75 billion. Also featured, AstraZeneca entered into a definitive agreement to divest the rare disease drug Caprelsa to Sanofi's Genzyme unit for up to $300 million. The deal, which is expected to close in the second half of 2015, includes an upfront payment of $165 million for global rights to the product, as well as further development and sales milestone payments of up to $135 million. In addition, Aegerion Pharmaceuticals CEO Mark Beer and Chief Operating Officer Craig Fraser have resigned from their posts effective immediately. The drug maker noted that board member Sanford Drexel Smith was named interim CEO while the company searches for a permanent replacement and will also assume Fraser's responsibilities on an interim basis. Also in the news, study data published in JAMA Internal Medicine revealed that drug makers routinely failed to report some serious adverse events to the FDA within the specified 15-day regulation timeframe. The researchers estimated that approximately 10% of serious or unexpected adverse events were not reported to the FDA within 15 days of receipt by pharmaceutical companies. And finally, in preliminary second quarter results, Teva said revenue was down 2% from the year-ago period to about $5 billion. However, the company raised its earnings per share outlook for the year to between $5.15 and $5.40 from a prior forecast of $5.5 per share to $5.35 per share. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.